Birla Sugar is one of the leading players in the Indian private sector, with a cane crushing capacity of about 49,000 tons of sugarcane daily.
We are part of a Birla group of company having diversified interests in the field of sugar, fertilizer, textile, and we are supplying power to the grid. We have 7 factories scattered all over India, supplying green fuel to state grids in the state of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar.
In 2019, when Birla Sugar started its journey into digitization, the data center was at a remote place in Uttar Pradesh.
To make better business and financial decisions, Birla Sugar needed real-time insights into their production, procurement and supply chain environments. Their SAP Enterprise Resource Planning solution was hosted on premises. To make progress, they would have to move more of their operational data to the cloud.
Point of time, management decided it should move into a cloud environment, and it started all with entity data. We have gone for S/4HANA migration from ECC 6. But SAP stands as the real backbone. Applications like cane management software and HR software, though they are having a standalone systems, but all the data are right now manually entered into SAP.
Apart from SAP, we have the major procurement is sugarcane from more than 7 lakh farmers. We are using cane management software under the cloud itself to give us the desired detail and information on real-time basis. Apart from that, HR software is also under cloud, and all these softwares are integrated with our SAP HANA platform.
NTT Data has been supporting Birla Sugar since they moved from their existing SAP environment to SAP S/4HANA. We manage both their SAP environment and their data at our Mumbai 5 data center in India. Moving to the cloud creates opportunities for automation, reducing the risk of human error and saving valuable time.
Forward for automating the process, and ultimately there will be interfaces with S/4HANA with the other third-party SaaS-based applications. So how NTT can play as a major partner into that? Right now they are supporting us in the core services of managing the data center, managing SAP services, but I am looking forward as a partner how they can bring more values into the into the automation part, making the data into information, and as a partner can help us, and with their knowledge which they are having globally, how they can help Birla Sugar as a industry into automation and into advanced technology.